Okay guys, the owner's on the way to pick up the little Falcon. We got everything on it that we took off. Got all the front and back windows back in it, all the chrome and tail lights back on the back. The owners took all the side chrome off and stuff like that. He did all that, so he's doing all that. But there she is, sitting outside, ready to go. He's coming together this evening. As you can see, we got a beautiful Thursday evening, but we are calling for rain tomorrow. So nobody ever wants to take a freshly painted car home in the rain. Just got it warming up a little bit for him there. Actually, I could probably shut it off. It's been running for a couple minutes now. That's good enough. Don't want to use up all his gas. There we go. I think he's going to be very happy with that. If he's not happy with that, I don't know what to tell you. Like I say, this was not a frame-off restoration. This was not a strip it to bare metal restoration. This was strip the areas where all the blistering and all the issues were going on, which you remember all up in here. It was all chunky, tore up. The car was quite wavy. And, well, we've got it looking nice and straight. Nice and straight. Super happy with it. I think he's going to love it. That's a paint job right out of the booth. Nothing's been polished. Nothing's been attacked. Like, you know, we haven't done nothing to it. Just out of the booth. There might be the odd little dust nib here and there, which will probably come out over time when he's waxing it, or he can kind of give it a cut wax if he likes. But no runs, no haze, no blotchiness, no nothing. Just straight out of the booth. Typical George doing us a good paint job as he always does. Very nice little car. Love the color on this car. Just love it. People are just going crazy asking me what the color is. It's a factory color. I can't remember the name of it now, but it is a very beautiful color. This car is going to look gorgeous when it's all together. Very, very nice. And of course, you can see in the background here, we got another new project come in, little 54 Chevy. Now all we're doing to this is try to get it up and running and driving, and do the mechanical only. We're not doing nothing to the body or anything like that. So it's not a 5-window, but it is the 54 with the 1-year grill only. She's got lots of, I don't know if you'd call this one patina, or you just, it's on that verge of rust. I mean, the fender, something needs to be done with that. But it's a pretty solid truck. I mean, the floors are all solid in it. It looks pretty good. I was kind of looking it over. That's a decent little truck. Alright. And then we've got this one here that came in for the hood and tailgate repainted. Well, that's all done. The hood's in the body shop bay. I won't go in there right now because Sean's priming, but we did get the tailgate painted for the gentleman. Got it on here today. The hood will be going on tomorrow. So yeah, he's going to have to call this truck Patches because it's all different colors. It's the same color, but this side of the box he sprayed in a spray bomb. The hood and the tailgate we did really nice here, and the rest of the truck is the original paint. And like I said, this gentleman just parks this truck on the road. This is his daily driver all year round, downtown Vancouver, cruising around. He's done all the running gear in it, new engine, new tranny, new diff, new wiring. We lowered it down, new brakes, new transmission. He's put Dakota gauges in it. Like, it's mechanically sound. This thing's taking you anywhere. It's going to get you there. But body-wise, he says, hey, it's my only truck and it's my work truck, so I'm not going to spend tens and 20s and 30s and thousands of dollars on this thing to make it look perfect. And I get that. And if anything, I appreciate that. And you know, honestly, if he ever sold this truck, I'd be right on him to buy it, and I would leave it the exactly same way what he's done to it too. I'd just drive it as it is, because it's pretty cool. Now, the orange cab you see back here, the 72 behind the 54. Mike's working away getting the frame together with all the suspension in it. So here it is. We put all new CPP suspension in it, all the tubular arms, everything, all new. All the steering's new. Frame blasted, painted it. Differential, completely rebuilt differential, blasted it, painted it, rebuilt it, took it apart, got rid of the center side, put an Eaton posi in it with 373 gears. So it's got an Eaton posi in it. We're gonna, because this truck's gonna be running a 350 of around 400 horse with a 700R tranny. That's our plan. So the rolling frame is done. We're not going to bother doing the brakes right now because we may have to put this thing outside for a bit. So that's what's going on there. And then the Firebird, you know, the owner wanted us to pull the engine tranny. He's going to take it home, and then he wants us to, we worked on this a year ago. If you remember, we did the quarters and all that. Well, anyway, he wants us to do from the doors forward, get all the body in first primer, and get all under the hood area painted, and then he's going to take it home and figure out what he's doing for engine and that, deal with that. Then it will come back later and we'll end up finishing off the body. But we did get under there and we texture sprayed all the floors, which turned out nice. I posted some pictures as I was doing it. You know, covered up the diff, because I don't know, I'm not going to spray the diff and texture spray, but sprayed everything under here. Looks really good. We'll clean up the suspension and spray that too, but not with texture spray. He doesn't want to take it all apart. He says the front end's good. He's got disc brake conversion kit on there. He put on there a couple years ago. So the front end, I pressure washed the shit out of it. If you remember, I posted some pictures on Facebook and Instagram. I was doing that on New Year's Day. Anyway, all he wants me to do with that now is that's good enough to him. Just spray it satin black the way it is. He's just making it tidy and clean. He's not making a show car by any means. Gonna drive it. But at least it's not all full of grease. Is it the proper way? No. To spray it all like this, all complete together, it's not. But you know what? Whatever. I don't mind doing that as long as he understands that I can't get in every nook and cranny and you're spraying over the little rubber boots, you know, which, you know, you hate to do that. That paint just eventually falls off, but it's all good. It's all good. You know, I'll cover up as much as I can. I mean, look how good this turned out. This turned out beautiful. And I mean, the diff was left in it, and I covered up the shocks and the diff and the lines and all that. I covered this shit up, and I didn't get any overspray on it. So we'll cover this up the best we can, certain things. Like when I say boots, I'm talking like I'll definitely pull the wheels and pull the calipers off and that. Then I'll put masking, not like I'll leave them hang. I'll put masking tape on the hoses. I won't get that all full of shit, but like lines and that kind of crap, that's just gonna get sprayed the way it is. You start taking all that apart, you got hours and hours into it. And then we got the 76, got all the sheet metal on the front. We're going to be putting a door on here tomorrow and a fender on one side tomorrow and getting the rad in it and a whole bunch of shit done there. But it is Friday tomorrow, so we'll see where we get. And Sean's working away on all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to, I'm going to set this camera down for a moment, plug it in, because I just realized the battery's about to die out. So I'll get it plugged in, give it around 20 minutes, half hour, then we'll go over and we'll see what the hell Sean's up to. All right, but there's a close look at that frame again for this dies, and we'll give you one more look at Betty. I'm assuming that's her name. It says on the license plate. I didn't even notice that before. There's little Betty. Little Betty's going to go home to her nice warm garage, going to go home to her family. I hope they love it. I tell you, every person that's come in this yard has just gone crazy over this car. They're all like, oh my God, oh my God. And everyone, even on my channel, if you look, everyone is asking, what color is that? So, hey. Dale, you picked the right choice of the color. Okay, now that we got the camera all charged up, we'll show you what Sean's working on. Sean has got the 07 Chevy pickup all blocked and ready for paint. And what's going on here this evening, I believe, is he's going to paint the jambs. Just the areas are repaired. This gentleman didn't want to get into pulling the doors and all the seals and doing a complete restoration like that. I mean, so he's going to be doing that right now. So that is what is going on. Oh, and he's working on, in the meantime, also in between, he's working on the Firebird you saw in there. He's working on the fender for that. And actually, he's got the cowl done right there too. What's the cowl? He's already done that. So yeah. So we are just moving along here. So with that being said, you will see me on Sunday Fun Day. Thanks a lot, guys.